Hey, it's Coach Rowan here with our third part on our slip ball series. Today with this one we're going to look at our slip encounters, also adding our circular punching with this, and more complex drills. So, start off first of all, let's get our swing going. Okay, get our movement happening in between. Now what we're going to look at is we're going to slip to the side and counter. We're going to slip, counter, slip, counter. Okay, once we're comfortable with a few basic slip and counters, we can add our combination punching. So whilst I'm throwing my combinations, you see my head's moving and I can look to counter. We can slip, counter over the top, come back inside, we can double up left hooks. We can work however we need to. Only way to get good at this thing is to do a bit of it. You need to concentrate, you need to practice, you need to spend some time making a lot of mistakes. It's going to hit you on the back of the head a lot of times, okay? Don't let it faze you. Stick to what you're doing. Keep it working. Okay, here's the last little tricky one. If you want to get fancy, add a little bit of footwork and a 180-degree pivot to this. So, start off with the ball swinging again, but this time when the ball swings behind you, pivot round to meet it.